Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest software update, HyperOS 3.0 update in the POCO F7 device. So this is a POCO F7 and I just received the HyperOS 3.0 update, and I'm going to talk about what is the update size and features in this POCO F7 device. As you can see guys, so let me to show you exactly. So let me to click on the update is available, and you can see HyperOS 3 is available, and it is update size, so which is about close to 7 GB is update size. And in case if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure hit that like and sub, and also don't forget to check out the playlist videos for the POCO F7 device in case if you want to know more details about the smartphone in terms of the battery or charging speed. So now let's go back to the update, and is a quick look at the update size, which is a 7 GB update size, guys. That's a pretty huge update, I would say. And next we got so with this 7 GB HyperOS 3 update on the POCO F7, so we got the performance enhancement and smooth and more stable performance, optimized memory allocation, and recovery increases the availability of system memory and optimization. So a lot of optimization has been done in terms of the performance and the battery boosting as well. Improved short video playback efficiency for better battery life. Graphics also got improved, and Xiaomi Hyper Island. Everything you need to keep an eye on in one place. So new design lets you see all the details at one glance. So a lot of things got improved in terms of the overall look and feel. So I'll try to download this update and I'm going to install. So revamped the visuals, cleaner and more refined visual thoughts. So new large lock screen adds the depth and layers to the layout. So lock screen also got changed. So new all-in-one editor allowed you to adjust both home screen and lock screen wallpaper at same time. So comprehensive system app optimization. So new gallery widgets, and now you can pin your albums. Okay, and the calendar, recorder, and the weather application also got changed. So a lot of things got changed even with the default applications as well. And next, interconnectivity cross ecosystem, iPad interconnectivity. So home screen place enables Xiaomi phones to mirror screen content to your iPad. So that's also there. Mac interconnectivity, you can connect Xiaomi phone via hotspot in one tap and view its location on the Mac. So cross device unlocking, use fingerprint or password on Xiaomi tablet to unlock your device. Unlock your Xiaomi phone quickly using Touch ID Face password on iPhone or iPad. So a lot of like interconnectivity with the iOS got improved. So that's what I did mention. So which I'm going to definitely do in-depth video about that. I'm going to test out with my MacBook and iPad as well. Privacy and security enhancement. So this update guys, complete details about the new Xiaomi 3 update, Xiaomi HyperOS 3 update in this POCO F7 device. So I'm trying to take a screenshot of this complete update details in depth. So later we can try to discuss them. So complete screenshot has been done. Let me click download. So right now I'm downloading the HyperOS 3, which is a 7 GB of update size in the POCO F7 device. So my internet speed is close to 100 Mbps of internet speed, and I did start the stopwatch. As you can see guys, the stopwatch is started, and we'll try to see how much time it actually takes to completely download this new update in the POCO F7. And I'm going to be back after some time. So this is a complete walkthrough and review about the Xiaomi HyperOS in the POCO F7 device. So right now, as you can see friends, the download has been completed in about close to 12 minutes of time. So exactly 12 minutes with 100 Mbps of speed, the download has been successfully completed to 100%. So now I'm going to do the extract testing. So it is a POCO F7 with HyperOS 3.0 update. So right now the download has been finished, and it's taking some time to extract that update of 7 GB size. Let's see how much time it actually takes to do that. So I did start the stopwatch, and we'll try to find out how much time this extracting will take in the POCO F7. So the POCO F7. So the HyperOS 3.0 update, 7 GB size. 62% extract after close to 7 minutes of time. This is the time, and it's a Xiaomi HyperOS. So right now 80% and 9 minutes of time, as you can see, guys. So right now we got the reboot, as you can see, guys, a reboot symbol. So first it was downloading and then extracting the update, and right now we got the reboot, and the total time taken for this was close to 12 minutes and 58 seconds. So close to around 12 minutes you can expect in terms of the complete extracting of the latest update in the Xiaomi HyperOS in the POCO F7 device. So right now, let's see, guys, in this POCO F7 device, the update has been downloaded and extracted as well, which is about 7 GB, which is HyperOS 3. And right now, after extracting, we got the reboot logo. And let's see how much time this is gonna take in terms of the complete reboot of the device with this update. That's what I'm going to demonstrate on the POCO F7 device. So let's find out in this video, guys. So HyperOS 3.0, so which is a pretty good update, I would say, in terms of the visual enhancement and the performance and the stability wise as well. I'm going to test out in the POCO F7 device. So right now, let's see, guys, how much more time it's gonna take in terms of the complete reboot of the device after the download has been done. So right now we got the HyperOS logo. So powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. It's been right now close to 1 minute of time. The update is rebooting in the device. So let's see. It's done. So 1 minute and 15 seconds of time, total time taken to completely install this new update in the POCO F7 device. And I did do this complete update when the battery percentage is below 20%. The phone did allow for that kind of performance. Already I can notice the difference in terms of the status bar design, it's a little bit kind of layout and everything. So it's taking a little bit kind of again more time to load the settings. Yeah, finally it did load. Let me go to the phone, and as you can see, guys, Xiaomi 3.0 update. So right now, Xiaomi HyperOS, which is running 3.0 in the POCO F7 device. So these are POCO F7 with the latest version of the 3.0 in this POCO F7 device. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, and I'll definitely do the in-depth videos in details about the overall settings and visual enhancement in the POCO F7 device. I'll try to cover all of these features in the next upcoming videos in my channel. For that, you need to just subscribe to my channel. So, and also don't forget to follow the playlist videos for the POCO F7 as well, as you can see. So follow the playlist videos. So there you will be able to understand more details in depth about the POCO F7. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.